Happens after a storm. One of my ships are on the side. My bridge is almost look at this. See this water? Water everywhere. And the water flooded the whole place. The humanity. We're gonna have to pray for all the toy people that were here. All the toy people that lost their lives in here. The humanity right now. No one knows if there is. No one knows where most of the ships are at this time. Most of the ships are in the flood debris. I think it's called Hedrick Fitzgerald ship is on its side. My Hedrick Fitzgerald 2 ship is on its side. Everything is in humanity. The bridge is almost flooded. Everything is here. That is humanity. Everything is ruined. Water on here. My God.